Hey my natural beauties, welcome back to my channel. It's Toya here. So how many subscribers, welcome to you, and I'm so glad you're here. I'm so glad that you subscribed to me. So yeah, this video is a Halloween tutorial, my very first Halloween tutorial, and I'm just going to rush right through this intro because I am in a very noisy location, so I want you guys to hear everything I'm saying. It's like a witchy, vampy kind of cracked face type deal going on. So it was very easy. This I did with a gel liner that I got online. I bought this online over the summer and it's fake as hell, as in terms of it being MAC, but it's not MAC. It's just it says MAC on there, but it's actually from China. You guys know how they do. This is a MAC eyeliner gel, so they say, and it's just in black. The consistency is very good. This would be very good to do like as a base for a smoky eye or something. But yeah, and then oh my god, I am so in love with this brush. It's the brush I use to blend out my contour, and it's from Bewitched Cosmetics. It is so thick and just I think this is a dome brush, I'm not sure. The names of all the products, the list of the products will be in the description bar, all the products that I do use. But this is a palette that I use. It's the BH Party Girl palette. You guys know, if you've been following me for past couple of weeks, that I have been loving this palette. Thumbs up this video if you like it. Head on over to Instagram and follow me there, and also follow me on Facebook at NaturallyMsToya. All the links to all my social media networks will be in the description bar below. And just comment below letting me know what you guys think. I do want to do more Halloween tutorials, but as promised, here's my first one. And it was very simple. If you have like a last minute Halloween party or something like that, you can just do this. This lip color is actually NK Cosmetics Indigo. This is their lip pencil in Indigo, and the consistency is thick. I went back to the store and I bought more because the consistency of this thing, the pigmentation is just so sweet. Like, it's so smooth, whereas pencils come and like they're dry and too dry to be worn by themselves. This was very moisturizing, so this is just me swatching it. It's so smooth, it just glides on. Look at that, so smooth. And it's actually a very dark purple, and the color is called Indigo, and it's by NK Cosmetics. So of course guys, if you're not already subscribed to me, go on ahead and click that subscribe button. Don't forget to like my Facebook fan page, follow me on Twitter and Instagram at NaturallyMsToya, and I'll definitely see you guys in my next tutorial. Bye. Mwah.
Yeah. Forgive us of our trespasses, as we forgive those that trespass against us. They used to say my raps was foolish, now they say I'm the coolest. Best friends became Judas, snake heads like Medusas. They used to say I was a loser, so I had to prove my worth for certain. Words by David Shurton, that I was the illest rapper that he ever heard. Representing Jamaica, spitting these illest verse. And now I body these rappers, put them in a hearse. I tell them, who's the illest? Now these niggas hurt. Long live the idols, may they never be your rivals. Big was like Jesus, Jay-Z wrote the Bible. Slim, they just mad cause they just wanna be just like you. They try to pimpin' you cause they know you ball like Michael. They say you came up, fuck the game up. They say you changed up, but I ain't changed, bro. I'm still the same, bro. Fame will make you more foolish, but what you do if you in my position? Yeah. Forgive us of our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us, and never let them trespass against us again. Yeah. Forgive us of our trespasses. Yo, I said, Slim ID, I said, got the industry all under jealousy, I said. For every beat I shred, every bleed I bled, for every street I walk, I earn my cred. For the team I led, every time we break our bread, more money, more problems, B.I.G. once said. And I ain't even rich yet, but we got your bitch wet.
Got your bitch wet.
Forgive us of our trespasses, as we forgive those that trespass against us, and they'll never trespass again. Forgive us of our trespasses. They took shots at me, thinking I would shoot back. It's a waste of my time. Lord forgive them. Super Puck said, Slim, sailor ship, you the captain. Don't look back if you already passed them. We ain't did it for the fortune, we did it for the passion. But the game got us looking all attractive. If you wanna talk woman, it's only a fraction. Talking about money, Pugs got it in a package. You're talking about Raimi, he got shit locked down in Jersey. United Empire, you heard me? You heard me? Forgive those that trespass against us, as we forgive those. Forgive us of our trespasses. Forgive us of our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. And never let them trespass against us again. Yeah. Forgive us of our trespasses. They took shots at me, thinking I would shoot back. It's a waste of my time.